Hello friends, today's date is 5 August 2021 and today's video topic is access modifiers in Java. There are two types of modifiers in Java. First one is access modifier and second one is a non-access modifier. The access modifier in Java is specifies the scope of data members, methods, constructor or class. There are four types of Java access modifiers. First one is a private, default, protected and public. Also there are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. But now we have see the access modifiers. First one is a private access modifier. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. For example, in this example we have to create the two class A and class simple. A class contains the private data member and private methods. We are accessing these private members from outside the class, so there is a compile time error. Now we can see the role of the private constructor. If we make the any class constructor is a private, then we cannot create the instance of that class from the outside the class. uh, a, a class is cannot be a private or protected except the nested class. Next one is a default access modifiers. If we don't use any modifier, it is treated as a default by default. The default modifier is accessible only within the package. For example, we have to create the two packages, pack and mypack. We are accessing the a class from outside its package. Since a class is not a public, so it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. So the default, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. And third one is a protected access modifier. The protected access modifier is accessible within the package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protected access modifier can be applied on the data member, method and constructor. It can be applied on the class. Then example of protected access modifier is, suppose we have to create the two packages, pack and mypack. A class uh, a class of pack, package is a public, so can be accessed from outside the package, but method of this package is declared as protected, so it can be accessed from outside the class only through the inheritance. And then next point is public access modifiers. The public access modifiers is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. So now uh, we can see the Java access modifiers with method overriding. If we are overriding any method, then overridden method that is declared in subclass must not be more restrictive. Then the default modifier is more restrictive than the protector. That is why there is a compile time error. Now we can see the example. Suppose class A, then a private integer data is equal to 14 and a private void message, then system dot out dot println hello Java. We can pass the message, then create the second class. Class is simple. Then in a main method we can create the object of the class A. A obj is equal to new a, then system dot out dot println obj dot data, that time compile time error will be occurred, and obj dot message also, that time the compile time error is occurs. So that is all about the access, all about the information of the access modifiers and specifiers. Thank you so much.